In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Copilot app not working. If the Copilot app is not opening properly, freezing, or just not responding the way it should, one of the quickest things you can try is repairing the app through Windows settings. This is a simple built-in option, and it can often fix common app issues without removing your data or forcing you to reinstall anything. To begin, press the Windows key on your keyboard. This will open the Start menu and bring up the search feature so you can quickly find what you need. Using search is one of the fastest ways to get directly to the app settings page without clicking through several menus. Once the search bar is active, type Copilot. As you type, Windows should start showing matching results. Look for the Microsoft Copilot app in the results, and when you see it, choose App Settings. This will take you directly to the settings page for that specific app, which is where Windows stores troubleshooting options like repair and reset. After you click App Settings, give it a moment to load. Depending on your system speed, this may take a few seconds. It's important to wait until the page fully opens before moving on, so you can be sure all the options are available and visible. When the settings page has finished loading, scroll down slowly until you find the section labeled Reset. Even though the section is called Reset, it usually includes both repair and reset options. The repair option is the safer one to try first because it checks the app and fixes problems without wiping the app's data. In that reset section, click Repair. Windows will begin repairing the Microsoft Copilot app automatically. You may notice a progress indicator, or it may complete quietly in the background. Either way, let the process finish completely before doing anything else. Interrupting it too early can prevent the fix from working properly. Once the repair is done, try opening Copilot again and see if it works normally. In many cases, this is enough to resolve launch problems, loading errors, or minor app glitches. If the app still has issues afterward, the next thing people usually try is the reset option. But for this walkthrough, we're only focusing on the repair step since that's the least disruptive place to start. That's it. A quick trip into app settings and a simple repair can often get Microsoft Copilot working again without much effort.